Hello, one of the most essential parts of canning is having a proper canning rack. If you don't have one, it's not a problem. Just check your drawers for some of those old dented rings that you left and are saving for other uses. For us, you can build your own canning rack by using a zip tie, rings, smoothing them out, measuring the bottom of your pot, and attaching them together. It's all that easy. Some people ask why we need a canning rack. It's very simple. The canning rack provides a layer between your jars and the bottom of your pot. It keeps your food on the bottom of your jars from scorching or your jars from breaking. It also allows air to circulate and allow the correct processing time to process your foods.